A verdict has been reached in the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial, and it will be announced at 3 p.m. local time, which is 8 p.m. in the UK, at Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia. The 58-year-old Pirates of the Caribbean actor has sued ex-wife Amber, 36, for $50 million, claiming that her op-ed for The Washington Post about domestic violence was about him, despite it not directly naming him. Amber has countersued the actor for $100 million over comments made by Johnny's lawyer, which she claims was defamation. In another twist in the trial, after a tense build-up to the verdict being announced, there is another delay. The jury has been sent back out again over an apparent administrative error. It appears that on an official form, the amount of damages awarded wasn't filled in, which in itself indicates that the jury has found for one or both of the parties. The judge told them, "I need to give the forms back to you. When you find for a defamatory statement, one or more, you need to fill out the compensatory damages. It has to be at least $1, up to whatever you feel the damages should be. For punitive damages you can put a 0 there, or you can fill out that as well, but I need those lines filled out." Over the past 6 weeks, the jury has heard from both Depp and Heard as well as a host of witnesses, including supermodel Kate Moss, as the couple's relationship was laid bare for all the world to hear. Due to Monday's U.S. federal holiday, Memorial Day, the jury returned to continue its deliberations yesterday. Closing proceedings on Friday, Judge Benyaz Karate reminded jurors of their obligation to consider all the evidence before reaching their conclusions, and forbade them from using outside sources for research purposes. Lawyers for both actors also implored for the other side to take responsibility for their actions. For Depp, attorney Camille Vasquez called Heard an abuser and a deeply troubled person desperate for attention. Heard's lawyer Ben Rottenborn, meanwhile, read out dark texts from the actor about wanting to burn his now ex-wife, adding, "While Heard isn't perfect, if Johnny abused her one time, she wins." Meanwhile, the court was told of altercations between the pair, with Heard saying that she was physically abused by Depp during their time together. Heard's lawyer, Mr. Rottenborn, meanwhile, closed his argument by asking jurors to think about the message Depp and his legal team are sending to Heard and by extension to victims of domestic abuse: "If you didn't take pictures, it didn't happen." He went on, "If you did take pictures, they're fake. If you didn't tell your friends, you're lying. And if you did tell your friends, they're part of the hoax. If you didn't seek medical treatment, you weren't injured. If you did seek medical treatment, you're crazy."